we're going to be talking about be accepting of what comes your way. Parenting is a lifelong journey. Its success is not merely measured by the control you gain. Be accepting and mindful of what comes your way. It's very important to recognize, to remember that parenting is not about having one fixed approach. It's a path which is going to be ridden with a lot of different situations. Lots of situations which are going to require you to keep changing your approach, in which you will have to keep on navigating your way, finding different ways in which you can approach the situations, approach your child, build the best ways of being able to give your child the kind of exposure, the kind of experiences that they need to become confident individuals. It's so important as a parent to be able to accept these aspects. A lot of times a parent expects themselves to be able to perfectly navigate the course of parenting. That's not how it happens. You will have your challenges, you will also have your pitfalls. There will be times when things may not work out in the best way. It's very easy to get into a zone where you start becoming very critical of yourself, blaming yourself, becoming very guilt-ridden. And what it does is it affects your overall approach that you're adopting in being able to parent your child. Makes you tentative, makes you hesitant, also takes away from the joy of being a parent to your child. And that is something that your children can also perceive. They're able to figure out when their parent is not in the best headspace, when the parent is not being able to take care of themselves or being able to give them the right kind of inputs, the support that they require to be able to navigate their life. And you do not want that to happen, because your child should be able to see you as that one person who they can rely on, who despite whatever may be going on around them is able to maintain their own state of stability. Because that is what allows a child to remember that this is a secure base from which I can operate. It allows them to be able to ensure that they can keep on reaching out to you without fear of having to think about what is my parent going through. That they can keep on looking towards you for guidance, they can look towards you for support, for understanding, that they can rely on you and lean on you whether you're in a good space or not. And that is something that you must actively work towards. And your acceptance of these aspects, of knowing that you will experience difficulties, challenges, pitfalls in your parenting, is something that would also allow you to be able to keep on taking the next steps instead of getting stuck with the emotion of not having been able to respond in the way that you would have wanted to. Because what is most critical is to be able to keep on taking those next steps, to be able to become cognizant of what are the changes that you need to bring about. And those changes are impossible if you go into a headspace where you're not being able to accept the situations for what they are, for how they are coming about to be in your life. It's very crucial that as a parent, you keep on working towards building that acceptance, embracing the situations, making sure that you're not running away from them, making sure that you're not getting into a place where you're trying to deny them, run away from them, where you're trying to completely remove yourself or distance yourself from those experiences. Because when you are going through those situations, you're also demonstrating a very important skill to your child, that of resilience and perseverance. It's your perseverance through those difficult situations which is going to communicate to your child that difficult situations can be overcome. That when there are negative experiences, it does not mean that all is lost. That you can still find the energy within you, you can still find the hopefulness within you to be able to keep taking the next steps and overcome the challenges. And that is something that you want to keep on demonstrating to your child so that they can become confident children. So to raise a confident child, you need to bring in an acceptance of whatever it is that is coming your way as a parent, as you continue to navigate your path and move forward with your child in their journey of growing up to be an adult.